As the 19th century slips toward its close, the sun sets on one of the most iconic eras in world history, the age of the samurai. Between 1860 and 1880, Japan stands at a crossroads. Centuries-old traditions clash with the rising tide of modernity, embodied by legions of samurai, once the undisputed warrior aristocracy, now watching their world dissolve at the cusp of a new age. This is a time of upheaval and transformation. Foreign ships appear off Japanese shores, their black hulls bristling with cannons and unfamiliar flags. Commodore Perry's arrival in 1853 marks the beginning of the end for the country's centuries-long isolation. Western influence seeps into society, from firearms to telegraphs, from railroads to Western dress. The Meiji Restoration sweeps through Japan in 1868, toppling the Tokugawa shogunate and restoring imperial rule. The emperor, long a figurehead, steps onto the stage of national life, promising reform and unity. The samurai's unique privileges, stipends, the right to carry two swords, are quickly stripped away. The streets of Kyoto and Edo, soon to be renamed Tokyo, are thick with rumors and fear. Some samurai shave their top knots, don Western suits, and take bureaucratic posts in the new government. Others refuse to abandon the ancient way of Bushido, the way of the warrior, choosing honor and ritual over compromise. Around them, Japan transforms at a dizzying pace. Conscription fills the ranks of a new imperial army, and factories rise where castles once dominated the skyline. In 1877, fires burn across southern Kyushu. The last and greatest rebellion of the samurai erupts, the Satsuma Rebellion, led by Saigo himself. Tens of thousands of disaffected warriors, clad in lacquered armor and wielding swords, clash desperately against imperial forces equipped with rifles and artillery. The samurai are valiant, but technology and numbers decide the outcome. The fields of Shiroyama witness the twilight of the ancient warrior class. Saigo, gravely wounded, takes his own life rather than suffer defeat. By 1880, nearly all official traces of the samurai have vanished. Their swords are melted for steel, their heredity abolished in law. Yet their memory lingers, etched into the spirit of Japan, immortalized in stories of loyalty and courage. The end of the samurai era is not just the fall of a social class, but the birth of modern Japan, standing ready to walk boldly into the future, shadowed still by the legacy of the warriors who came before.